Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to look for remote jobs on LinkedIn. To look for remote jobs on LinkedIn, follow these steps. First, open LinkedIn and sign in. Go to linkedin.com on your browser. Make sure you are signed in with your credentials. Click on the Jobs tab. At the top navigation bar, click Jobs to access the job search page. Enter job title or keywords. In the search bar, type a job title, for example, customer service, representative, or software developer. You can also search for skills like data entry, copywriting, or graphic design. Now I choose to click on graphic design. Set location to remote. In the location field, type remote instead of a city or country, or just click on remote to find remote job listings. Use advanced filters. Click all filters and apply the date posted, for example, last 24 hours, past week, etc. Experience level, like entry, mid, or senior. Job type, like full-time, part-time, or contract. And on the workspace type, make sure it is remote. Save or apply to jobs. Click on the job listing and review the details. Click Easy Apply for quick applications, or apply to be redirected to the company's website. Click Save if you want to apply later. Set job alerts for remote jobs. Click Set Alert to get email notifications for new remote job postings. Connect with recruiters and hiring managers. Search for recruiters hiring for remote roles and send a personalized connection request. Here's the example message. Hi, recruiter's name. I'm actively looking for remote job title positions. I'd love to connect and explore potential opportunities. Lastly, follow up an application. If you don't hear back in 5 to 7 days, send a polite follow-up message to the recruiter or hiring manager. For example, hi, hiring manager's name. I applied for the job title position, add a company name, and wanted to check on the status. Looking forward to any updates. Thank you. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.